Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about how to be fluent in English language. If you follow these tips then I think that you will improve yourself in English speaking. And first tip is that having the knowledge. If you don't have proper knowledge of English language, then you can't speak properly, because for speaking you should know lot of things. And if you have vocabulary, if you have knowledge, then I think that you can deliver those things properly in front of the masses. Second thing is replace words. Sometimes we use words in our conversation again and again, but we should try to replace them. When we write very beautiful words, difficult words, but when we speak, we don't use those words in our speech. So we should try to replace old words with new words. In this way, we will improve in English language. Third thing is that the practice. You know that without practice, you can't speak proper English language. If you can write, if you can listen, and you are not able to speak the language, then I think that you lack the practice. For speaking, you will have to do the practice on daily basis again and again. When you will do your practice on daily basis again and again, then this will be the part of your speech and you will speak spontaneously. Fourth thing is tongue twister. There are a lot of words in English language. Those are difficult to pronounce. You should do the practice of pronouncing those words. Say those words again and again. Do your practice. In this way, your tongue, your mouth will be able to pronounce those words in proper way. Fifth thing is phrases. Phrases are set of some words. You should learn phrases, most of the phrases. When you will learn lot of phrases, when you will remember them, when you will memorize the phrases, those phrases will be the part of your speech. So use phrases in your speech. Learn those phrases. Number 6, mistakes. Whether making mistakes in your conversation is good or bad. Some people say that in the beginning, if you make mistakes in your speech, then it's okay. But repeating those mistakes again and again is not good. For example, if someone say to you that where are you going, and you are giving the reply I goes to school, this is wrong English. But if again and again you say, when this question comes in front of you and you give the reply that I goes to school, then repeating the mistakes is not good. You should try to overcome your mistakes and speak smooth and proper English language. Hope you find these tips useful and you will use these tips in your daily conversation. Allow me, and before leaving, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.